According to Stephen Hawking, whenever a black hole is born in our universe, a baby universe is also born with it. Whatever objects the black hole swallows inside itself, another universe goes east in the other end of the black hole. And we have also claimed that the black hole is the way to the multiverse. NASA winner's James Webb Telescope recently made a shocking revelation. We and our entire universe reside inside a black hole. Even in this article published in 2014, the famous American physicist Nicodemus Popolsky also claimed that our universe is present inside a black hole. According to Stephen Hawking, whenever a black hole is born in our universe, a baby universe is also born with it, which can be seen only when someone passes through the black hole event. Actually, there is no existence of a black hole without any event horizon, because the event horizon is the boundaries of the objects present inside and outside the black hole, and any object located outside the event of the black hole feels its gravitational effect. If you or any object crosses the one horizon of the black hole, then the singularity present in the center of the black hole will pull it towards itself. Even time also slows down as if some other kind of clock is running in comparison to the Earth. Professors of many universities claim that the objects that the black hole emits inside itself, those objects are lost forever, and in the other end of the black hole, there are other universities which are destroyed by this black hole. Consists of extracted objects. So maybe it is possible that we too were born like this 4.7 billion years ago. And Nicode has also claimed that the black hole is the path to the multiverse. A black hole is a region of space where gravity is so strong that nothing can escape it. Not even light, which means it is hidden from our eyes, but is happening on the surrounding matters. We can find it by effect. For example, dense clouds of gas and dust rotate very fast around some black holes, which emit huge amounts of radiation, which are called one of the bright test objects of the universe. The most famous idea related to black holes was pre-audited by Einstein's theory of relativity. But do you know how a black hole is formed? The energy released from nuclear fusion all the time inside the core of each star keeps the outer core of the star from collapsing further. So it is as if the fuel for nuclear fusion ends. Then there is no energy left to escape the invert force of gravity. And if that star is very messy, then its whole flesh explodes in itself, and that star becomes a black hole, and we know that. There is a security inside every black hole, a pound where zero volume and infinity exit. According to scientists, every object that falls into a black hole becomes a part of this singularity. But if I tell you this is not the only singularity, yes, what we got to see inside the black hole is not the only one in the universe, that another type of singularity exits in the universe, which we call. Actually, our universe is expanding every moment and everything present here is moving away from each other. But in 1960, when Stephen Hawking imagined the same expansion in reverse, he noticed one thing. All matter was very small millions of billions of years ago. Will be present in... It is known from the similarity that there is definitely some connection between a black hole and Big Bang. There is only one problem here. The singularity of a black hole pulls things in, while the single idea of the Big Bang causes things to expand outward. That is, these two are completely opposite to each other. So can we compare? But another object is also present in the universe which can solve this problem, and that is the white hole. The exact opposite of a black hole is a white hole that pulls things out. And if an object has to go inside a white hole, then it has to travel more than the speed of light, which is next impossible. It has come to the fore in the research that similar is present in the White House as well. So is our universe also made of single ladies from Whitehall? If the answer is yes, then where did so much matter come from inside this white hole to make this whole universe? According to some theory, this black hole and white hole are connected to each other by a point of singularity. That is, the singularity that pulls things into the universe through black holes, while the singularity pulls things out with the help of white holes. So is this possible? According to the theory published by scientist Small, many objects have been merged into the black hole. But whenever an object crosses the event horizon of a black hole, it becomes a part of the singularity. With time, the master size of the singularity increases as the objects are released. When the limit is crossed to observe its matter, then the other end of the singularity has a dangerous explosion that gives birth. This new universe of Dr. Universe will be independent from the old one. and in it the process of universe formation will start again, in which the formation of stars, galaxies, solar system, and black holes will start from here, because these black holes will not give birth to the universe again inside themselves, and this cycle will continue. According to this theory, there is a black hole. In fact, we have taken a picture of a black hole. The whole university is present inside them. From this, it was also understood that we live in the Jesus universe. That too inside a black hole. Now you must be thinking that this is just a theory without any knowledge of it. But it is not so. The British scientist Doctor had given a mathematical and graphical fruit of this theory in 1950 itself with the help of his diagram. This means that our universe, which was born 13.8 billion years ago, was actually born from a black hole in another universe, from which it is clear that our universal present black hole is also doing some work. That is, each black hole occupies a universe. Some scientists believe that the supremacy black holes present in the universe are the door to go to another universe that is multiverse, where we are completely different for physics, and even live farms will be very different from our Earth. The only problem with this hypothesis is that it is based on speculation, and there is no experimental evidence for this theory. A team of astrophysicists from the University of Waterloo has claimed that a black hole has not replaced the Big Bang. A mathematical professor named Robert Mint told the theory that we are living inside a fourth-dimensional black hole, which is formed by the extinguishing of a five-dimensional star. Scientists are engaged in understanding the rate of release and continuous growth of objects present in the space of supermassive black holes. At the same time, James Webb Telescope is also engaged in deducting its star farming area. But the most surprising thing is that a direct connection was found between dark matter, the most mysterious tax present in the black color universe, which also found evidence that the black hole is the source of darkness. It was found that the black hole is expanding faster than expected, which matches with Einstein's theory of gravity. This dish was covered in 1919. Every object in the universe is constantly moving away from each other. If understood in details, dark energy makes every object happy with each other with more force than diabetes, which was related to an idea given by, which was later denied. According to this iron, how our universe originated 13.8 billion years ago with the help of hot dance matter and energy, which has been expanding and cooling since then. According to many feasts, there was no time before the Big Bang, because there was no need for the time before the Big Bang. That's why this lot was born only after the explosion of the Big Bang. At the same time, some scientists claim that our universe was born not from the explosion of the Big Bang, but from the black hole present in the other universe. This concept was first introduced in 1973 by Russian physicist Tagore Nova, which was later supported by many big scientists like Lee Small-In and Stephen Hawking. Now, after knowing all this, if you feel that is our vast universe really contained inside a black hole, all this was and is one of the best done by the scientist. Well, what is your opinion about this? Do tell us in the comments. If you like this video, then bring this video and do not forget to share it with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, subscribe and turn on the notification bell because I keep bringing such videos every week. See you in the next video, and as always, thanks for watching.